In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in ConvertKit. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it really helps me create more content like this. Tags are a powerful way to organize your subscribers in ConvertKit. They allow you to segment your audience, making it easier to send targeted email campaigns based on various criteria. This can improve your communication with your subscribers and, ultimately, your engagement rates. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log in to your ConvertKit account. Once you're in, look for the Subscribers tab on the left side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to a screen that displays all your subscribers in one neat list. Here, you can see their names, emails, and any existing tags they may already have. Now, if you're looking to add tags to an individual subscriber, simply find the person you want to tag in the list. You can use the search bar at the top to make this easier if you have many subscribers. Once you locate them, click their name to open their subscriber details. When their profile opens, you'll see an area labeled Tags. This is where the magic happens. To add a new tag, click on the input field that says Add a Tag. You can either type a new tag or choose one from the drop-down if you're tagging them with a pre-existing label. For example, if you're running a campaign related to a specific product, you could tag subscribers with the name of that product. After entering the tag, be sure to hit Enter to save it. It's really that simple. The tag will now appear in their profile. This means that anytime you want to send an email to all subscribers who have that tag, you can easily find them. This also allows you to filter your audience based on behaviors or stages in your marketing funnel. Next, if you need to tag multiple subscribers at once, ConvertKit has a convenient feature for that as well. From the main subscriber list, you can use the checkboxes next to each subscriber's name to select those you want to tag. Once you've marked all the subscribers you wish to tag, look for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu at the top. Click on that and select Add Tag. Now you'll be prompted to enter the tag you want to apply to all selected subscribers. Just like before, type in your tag and hit the Enter key. This will instantly tag all the selected subscribers simultaneously, saving you a ton of time. You might be wondering how to manage or remove tags in case you need to update your subscriber list later. No worries, that's easy too. Head back to your subscriber's profile by clicking their name again. In the Tag section, you'll see a small X next to any existing tags. Clicking that X will remove the tag from their profile. Just confirm this action and it will be gone. Remember, effective tagging can help you personalize your emails. For example, consider creating tags for specific interests, customer behaviors, or stages in their journey with your brand. This way, you can send out targeted campaigns with relevant content and offers, significantly increasing engagement. In conclusion, adding tags in ConvertKit is a straightforward process that can tremendously enhance your email marketing efforts. By segmenting your subscribers effectively, you ensure that your messages resonate with the right people at the right time. So give it a try. Go ahead and add tags to your subscribers and see how it transforms your outreach. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Thanks for watching and happy tagging.